Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to unclog your AC drain line. So long story short, I called AC company, they actually just left my house and they gave me a quote of $375 for cleaning AC drain line. Of course I told them no. I went to Walmart and purchased white vinegar for $2.76. I'm gonna do it myself. Watch this video till the end and I'm gonna show how you can do it too. So my thermostat showing 83 degrees inside, even though it is set up at 76. Turn off the power to your AC unit before you clean it. As you can see guys, I have a safety switch installed on my system. It detects clogged air conditioner condensate drain lines and automatically shuts off the system to prevent water damage. And as you can see, even from here, the drain line is clogged. Now we need to locate the access hole for the drain line and remove the PVC cap. Here you can also see a clogged drain line. As I mentioned earlier, I bought this white vinegar in Walmart and it cost me actually less, $2.74. Also I'm gonna use wipes by Clark's and paper towels. So this is really important step. You don't want to pour your white vinegar when it's full of water, because you don't want white vinegar to go through this pipe and damage your AC system. So in the next step, I'm gonna show you what you need to do. I'm gonna remove standing water from this part of the drain line with wet vacuum. So now you need to locate your drain line exit point. It's gonna look like this. So don't make my mistake. Put a bucket or any other container underneath to catch vinegar and a gross slime that will come out of your drain line. Now I can pour vinegar into the drain line. So as you can see, after just like literally 15 minutes, part of the drain line is clean and I'm gonna add more vinegar. This was inside of the pipe. So now I'm gonna pour the entire thing into the drain line and then I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do next. Now I'm gonna flush a drain line with clean water. As you can see, I use a jet for this, and I'm gonna be doing this for a couple of minutes. Using Clorox wipes, I'm cleaning drain line pipes, and also I wanna remove all of the dirt from the panel of the AC handler. Using the same wipes, I'm cleaning inside of the pipe, and as you can see, it is almost perfect. Nice. Now I can put a safety switch back into the place. Install the PVC cap. Turn the power back on. As you can see, it's really easy to clean a drain line. We live in Florida and it's really hot and humid in here. I'm planning to clean my drain line 2 times a year. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.